Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. It's getting cold. My lips is still start to have this dark color. Okay, and yeah. Okay. Hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So today, I didn't want to stay inside my home to see the same scenery, to be in front of camera. No, I mean to be in front of computer, in front of screen. I just feel that I want to get out, go to nature, go to see mountains. Yeah, I feel the mountain is such a unique and magical place. Who is talking? Yeah, I always feel that mountains are magical place. It always open up my heart and makes me feel so good. What is that place? Is that the horse place? Seems like. Yeah. So it always makes me so open up. So I was thinking which park I can go. 5 minutes. There is, if I walk 7 minutes, I can go to our neighborhood park, which is a beautiful park. I pass there every day to go to swimming pool. Oh, that one is a horse ranch or something. Can we see some horse there? From time to time, we can see some horse, I feel. Anyway, so I always want to go to the mountain to see. I just feel it opens up myself, especially when you are on top of the mountain and view the scenery in front of you. It's just so magical. You can stand high and see very broad, very open, and of course it is good to go to a suburban park, but there is always house, there is always people surround. I want something that I can completely open up. So I came here, and it never disappoint. It never disappoint. When you go to the mountain, even if you have been here a gazillion times, and by the way, I haven't been there a gazillion times, maybe 5 times, 6 times, maybe, yeah, just about that. But still, when I see this scenery, it feels completely, absolutely new. And it's just so refreshing, so very, very good. Oh, this is so good. This is so beautiful. Do you go out? Do you have some chance to look for something, to discover something new and different? Are you the same as me? When you go out, you feel, which one do I go? I need to search online, search map, and see where is the good place, where is the best place. And I remember the other day I got a comment. one friend said, I want to go to a coffee shop, but I do not want to go there. I'm kind of scared because how about if the coffee shop disappoints me? If it is not that good? Yeah, it is so true. So oftentimes, when I search online, when I look for the Yelp or Google review and a good fancy place, it is more likely I end up disappointed because I have too much expectation. And things like this, like today, never disappoint because I came here with zero, Z-E-R-O, zero expectation. And everything pop up is a surprise. And it's a happy surprise. And nature fail to disappoint me every single time. Nature is magic. Nature is majestic. Nature is just a miracle. Don't you think so? Don't you agree? Look at it. Look at the greens. I have never seen this place with so much greens. Now I recall that place. I have walked many times in that place, but this is the first time I see it covered in green. It's always golden color. It's always burned grass or very dried grass. And this is such a change of scene. It's beautiful, beautiful. So I actually discussed about that scare of going to a coffee shop. I asked some other people, and each one think different. And there was one person who said, use it as an example. Do not have this regret or loser mentality. What can you lose, right? You are scared and you may miss an opportunity of trying something new and different. Just go there with an open heart. If it is good, of course it is good, right? It is just natural. If it is not good, it is an experiment, right? It's just going one time out. It's just $5, $10, right? So if we have this open heart, we can have much more chance, much more courage, and much more relaxation in going to different places, in discovering different things, in trying different new hobbies. Okay, talking about hobbies, some friends said they have a lot of hobbies, sometimes try this, sometimes try that. I personally find that doing many things, doing a lot of things is not fun. Is not fun. Doing something right, doing something, keep on doing something is more rewarding. because this is for me. Maybe you have different ability that I cannot reach. Anyway, my thought on trying new things and trying new hobbies is like this. The joy of discovery does not have to be in different places. Even in the same place, doing the same thing, repeating the same thing, you can still and always find joy, find curiosity, find discovery, because you are at different level, different stage of it. And it's very fun, it's very interesting, it's very tempting, it's very very intriguing or triggering to discover something the same subject, the same thing, but you keep on improving it. And that is absolutely fun and enjoyable. That's what I found. I enjoy doing relatively less new things. And sometimes you go to sometimes you leave something aside and re-find its joy a month later, a week later, or something. Do I make any sense? I find that trying too many things and everything is new and different and unconnected and disconnected is actually not fun. You cannot find the sense of achievements. Do I make any sense? Right? And I almost fall down. There is a bump on the road, and I find what I do more or less is in the same area. Cooking, baking, it's all about the same thing. It's understand how the food world works, how the things work to make it edible, how to cook it through, how to bring the best taste, how to make it soft, how to make it hard, how to make it fresh. And it's all the same thing. It's about the food science, right? For example, cooking rice is the science of cooking rice. Oh, this must be the park ranger. It's time for me to get out, I think. Let me go as quick as I should. And painting, watercolor, acrylic, and oil pastel, and all these are drawing. They are the same thing, to find how to use our hand to express something that express our thoughts through image, right? And this blah 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 is still, it's the same thing. It's just try to make sense of all my curiosity. Every time what I am talking is all about my what is going on here? Yes, it's all about my interest, my curiosity, my discovery about some of the things in the world, or some of my thoughts, or some of the things in the world, and how I reflect, and why do I reflect that way, what I am thinking about. Do I think it right? Do I think the way that I should? Things like that. Okay, I need to speed up. I wish you a happy every day. Enjoy your evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Go bye bye.